Primary School Math Olympiad Geometric Challenge 20. Triangles, Circles and Quadrilaterals. This is a challenge for Primary School Math Olympiad for questions related to geometry with mixtures of triangles, circles and quadrilaterals. There are 5 questions. The challenge is to complete them within 25 minutes. If you can't achieve it the first time, do not be disheartened. With practice, if one works hard and revises this challenge multiple times, one should be able to complete this challenge within 25 minutes. Question 1. The diagram comprises 2 similar-sized semicircles AGH and AEF, and a circle AIDJ in the middle of the diagram. All of them have a diameter of 6 centimeters respectively. ABC is an isosceles triangle with BC equals 7 centimeters. Find the size of the shaded area in centimeters square. Pi equals 22/7. Question 2. The diagram comprises a triangle and a semicircle. AD equals DB equals 28 centimeters. E is the midpoint of DB. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi equals 22/7. Question 3. The diagram is a parallelogram ABCD. Point E and F is the midpoint of BC and ED, respectively. The shaded area is 10 centimeters squared. Find the area of ACD. Question 4. The diagram contains a square, a circle and a quarter circle. The area of the square is A centimeters squared and the area of the quarter circle is B centimeters squared. Express the value of the shaded area in terms of A and B. Question 5. Find the size of shaded areas. The diagram contains a square, a circle and a quarter circle. Answer for question 1. Add the dotted red lines. Semicircle AGH and AEF overlap the circle AIDJ for the area surrounded by the dotted red lines. As such, the combined size of semicircle AGH and AEF minus the area surrounded by the dotted red lines is the same as circle AIDJ minus the area surrounded by the dotted red lines. Thus we can move the shaded area from within semicircles to within the circle. The shaded area, now the size of triangle ABC, equals 7 times 6 times half. The answer is 21 centimeters square. Answer for question 2. Add the red dotted lines. Name the 2 areas Y and Z. Area Z equals half times the length of FC, which is 28 plus 14, then times length of AF, which is 28 divided by 2. Solve the equation. The result is 42 times 7 centimeters square. Let's keep the result as multiple of 7 for ease of calculation later. Area Y equals quarter circle DEC minus triangle DEC. Work out the equation. You have 8 times 7 centimeters squared. Shaded area equals area of ADEF plus quarter circle DEC minus Y minus Z. Work out the equation. Your answer is 196 centimeters squared. Answer for question 3. Let's assume the area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to Z. E is the midpoint of BC, thus triangle ED is equal to half Z. As F is the midpoint of ED, thus triangle AFD is equal to 1/4 of Z. Triangle ECD is equal to 1/4 of Z since its base is 0.5 of the base of parallelogram ABCD. As F is the midpoint of ED, thus triangle FCD is equal to 1/8 of Z. Triangle ACD is half Z. Thus the shaded area is equal to half Z minus 1/4 of Z minus 1/8 of Z, which is equal to 1/8 of Z. As such, 1/8 of Z is equal to 10 centimeters squared. Triangle ACD is half Z, which is equal to 4 times 1/8 of Z. Thus the area of triangle ACD is 40 centimeters squared. Answer for question 4. The area of the circle is actually equal to the quarter circle. Let's prove that. Assume the radius of the quarter circle is 4 centimeters, therefore the diameter of the circle is also 4 centimeters. Area of the quarter circle is pi times 4 squared divided by 4, which is equal to 4 pi. Area of the circle is pi times 2 squared, which is also equal to 4 pi. Therefore the shaded area is the area of square minus area of the circle, which is a minus b, then divided by 4. Answer for question 5. The size of the shaded area A is equal to the size of the quarter circle minus half of the square, a triangle. Work out the answer, you will get 1400 cm squared. The size of the shaded area B is the size of the square minus the size of the circle, then divided by 4. Work out the answer, you will get 262.5 cm squared. A plus B is therefore equal to 1400 plus 262.5, which is 1662.5 cm squared. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.